Florida sun got my engine feeling cooked. Sweat drip, dashboard looking shook. AC wheezing, wallet kinda scared. Then I heard about Palm Springs Auto Repair. Yeah, pulled up, paint pop, sand on my shoes. They said relax, we got good news. Yeah, price beat, promise I ain't looking back. They check, they test, they call, I'm back on track.
Bring us your estimate, we'll beat it, get you all hooked up.
All hooked up.
Bring us your estimate, roll out clean when we lift you up. Florida heat, we don't flinch, we fit. Say that coin, keep your eye like new tricks. Palm Springs Auto Repair.com.
It's lit.
I had 3 quotes, all of them high. They tried to play me, thought I'd just buy. Came to Palm Springs, they broke it all down. Less on the bill, more drip for the town. Bring us your estimate, we'll beat it, get you all hooked up.
Hooked up.
Bring us your estimate, from squeaky brakes to that mystery clunk.
Yeah.
Florida heat, we don't flinch, we fix. Say that coin, keep your eye like new tricks. Palm Springs Auto Repair.com.
Oil, tires, engine, air. They got care that's rare out here. From Delray down to the Keys. If your ride act up, you know who you need.
Palm Springs Auto Repair.com.
Dial 561-366-7614.
Palm Springs Auto Repair.com.
Dial 561-366-7614.
It's the fix.